Hi guys, welcome to Thai Vehicle Game. This video assemble vehicles guys. First vehicles, wow, orange color, sports race car, wow, mobile car, fitting, oh perfect. Next fitting, okay. Okay guys, I'm perfect. Oh, I am correct. Okay guys. Wow, ready. Orange color sports race car ready. Okay, ready guys. Okay guys, next fitting mini mobile car. Orange color and black. Spare parts. Wow, fitting. Okay guys, correct fitting. Wow, fitting corruption. Fitting mistake guys. Wow, I am correct fitting. Wow. Okay guys, fitting correct. Okay, vehicles. Okay guys, next okay guys, ready. Orange color mini mobile car ready. Oh, stickers model. Wow. Next fitting after rickshaw auto. I am fitting. First, okay, guys. Okay, guys, perfectly fitting. Oh, guys. Wow, perfect. Next wheels. Wow. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I'm fitting. Wow. Perfectly fitting, guys. Last front wheel. Wow. Perfectly auto rickshaw ready. Green and yellow Indian auto. Wow. Perfectly auto ready. Okay guys. Last fitting dump truck. Green, black and white. Green and black white dump truck. Okay, first tires. Okay guys, wow, perfectly fitting guys. Tires fitting. Next okay guys, I'm fitting. Last vehicles fitting. Okay guys, vehicles perfectly fitting. Okay guys, six-wheelers dump tracker, green and white black mixing combination, dump truck ready. Wow, dump truck ready. Okay guys, last two screws. Okay guys, wow, finish. Total ties finish guys. Auto rickshaw ready. Dump truck green and white combination dump truck ready. Mobil orange color Mobil car ready. Orange and black sports Mobil 1 race car ready. 4 vehicles ready guys. Bye bye.